Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this two-piece men's slim fit plaid suit. So this is a product overview, so let's get into it. And I'm going to show you how the suit fits, the material that it's made of. Okay, so this is how the suit looks. It's a single breast. You have two real pockets on the side. You have a pocket right here. This is how the back of the jacket looks. There's a slight shoulder pad right here. You have a single button. The inside, you have your pocket here, and it has a gray lining. The pants, flat pants. So this is how the pants look. I'm 5'10" at 150 pounds. This is a size medium. It fits my arm nicely. I'm not wearing any shoes, and the pants length is just right. It fits me right above. Once I'm wearing shoes, then it'll be even better. It feels nice on the jacket. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. These are how the pants look. You have your single button and this little clip right here. And it also has the elastic on the waist. This is how the jacket looks. Here's the plaid pattern. There's a hint of blue, black lines. A very nice jacket.